Hey crafty friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Mommy Lala from Mommy Guide Inc. And today we're taking a fun and cozy walk through the newest release from Crafty Stamp Co, the Crafty Crew Kit for July 2025. And yes, it's officially on pre-order from June 1st to June 15th only. So let's dive in and talk about why this month's kit is a must-have for your collection. I made 2 cards for today's video using the Campfire Meadow stamp set. All the images I used were stamped, pre-colored with alcohol markers, and then detailed with Prismacolor pencils for added dimension and shading. This combo really makes the illustrations pop on the card. Let's talk about the first card. I used the Meadow character from the Campfire Meadow set, and the color choices were inspired by my daughter's hair color and her preference for clothes. I layered the pattern papers from the included 6x6 pad, but here's a tip. Always place mats in between your layers of pattern paper. This helps separate the designs visually so they don't feel overwhelming. Each pattern gets a chance to breathe and stand out. And finally, the sentiment I chose, I love you more. Isn't that the cutest? I layered the sentiment as well using coordinating cardstock and foam tape to give it that extra pop. It's a fun, flirty little message that works for kids and adults alike. Now going back to the basics of the Crafty Crew Kit. Crafty Crew Kit is a bi-monthly subscription box by Crafty Stamp Co. Designed specially for card makers and paper crafters who want coordinated, exclusive, high-quality materials delivered right to their door. Every kit is limited edition and exclusive to Crafty Crew subscribers for a minimum of 6 months to a year, which simply means you won't find these stamps, stencils, or papers sold separately anywhere else for quite a while. Yes, no FOMO here because if you pre-order, it's guaranteed to be yours. Now let's get into the July 2025 kit. The theme this month is full of camping vibes, cozy forest critters, and a whole lot of crafty fun. Here's what you'll get. 2 4x6 stamp sets, one called Campfire Meadow and the other Campfire Critters, a coordinating 6x6 paper pad, 1 versatile stencil, a reusable mesh Ziploc pouch for easy storage and travel, and an inspirational tag or card, and for subscribers only, an exclusive rotating embellishment like sequins or enamel dots that match the kit's color palette. Now let's talk about pricing. If you're a bi-monthly subscriber, you get the whole kit for just $45.99. Shipping included only if you are in the US. It actually ships also international, but you do have to handle the you have to be responsible for the extra shipping, tax, and VAT charges. This is actually 35% discount off store retail prices, and embellishments for subscriber-only perk is also included. You also get a 10% discount code for non-subscription orders. Now, if you want to try it out just for this month, non-subscribers can pre-order the kit at $54.99. That's actually 15% discount off retail prices. Shipping is also included if you are in the US, and just like usual, if you are international, you do have to handle or be responsible for the extra shipping tax and VAT charges. Remember, pre-orders are only open from June 1st to the 15th. After that, the kit is gone. No extras, no restocks. This model keeps the kits fresh and limited, and that makes them extra special. Now on to the second card. This one started as a daytime camping scene, but somewhere along the way, I decided to switch it up and turn it into a starry night under the forest sky. I used one of the pattern papers in the kit that had tiny stars scattered across it, and I fuzzy cut the trees and the stars and layered them onto my scene, and then used the included stencil and some silver wax to add faraway twinkles to the sky. The result is magical, a nighttime forest scene that still feels cozy and calm. You also saw some extra stamp images that I colored from the second set. Campfire Critters, which I haven't used yet in a card, but those adorable animals are already colored and ready for another card project coming up soon. I'll be posting that video in a few days, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Therefore, whether you're an absolute beginner or a seasoned card maker, this kit gives you everything you need to create projects that feel cohesive, charming, and full of personality, all while saving time on planning and coordinating supplies. So how can you get your hands on the kit? Simple! Head on over to craftystampco.com and place your pre-order by June 15th, and once the window closes, the kits get packed and shipped by July 5th, and then we'll all get crafting together. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you're the first to know when my next crafty video goes live. You can also follow us on our socials for more inspiration, sneak peeks, and behind-the-scenes crafty fun. With that, have a great crafty day and see you on the next one.